Hello everybody and welcome to the video. Before I get in today's video, I just want to say happy National Ceiling Fan Day to everyone. It is 9/18/24, September 18th, 2024. National Ceiling Fan Day is a day where you shut off your AC and you let the breeze of your fans cool you down. You just run your fans and shut off your AC. This goes for box fans, tables fans, all sorts of fans. What we're looking at here today is this Minka Aire cool ceiling fan. This ceiling fan I got at the Habitat Restore for a shocking price of $15. It's got a super long down rod, and I actually had to move my testing wood, the piece of wood I used to test fans on, had to move it up one because it used to be on that step right there and that step. And it was like pretty low to the ground, like pretty much hitting the floor, so I moved it up a little. The mounting bracket, it didn't come with a mounting bracket. It was there the first time I went to Habitat, but when I went back, it was gone. So yeah, that's what it looked like, but yeah. I'll show you the remote. Done a remote control, not a wall control. Even says Cool Red on it. So this fan, it must have been with its original owners before it got donated to Habitat. So, yeah. Anyways, let's get into the video. First speed we're starting on is low. This is a 3-speed fan. Here's low. These fans came in a few different finishes. Red, which this one is, and it's a very unique finish. There was silver, there was black, and I'm pretty sure there was white as well. It's giving off a good breeze already. This ceiling fan sold for $149, brand new. Pretty cheap, in my opinion, for a cool fan like this. But yeah, this fan was short-lived. It didn't live for too long. Like, what I mean is that it didn't sell too long. You don't see too many of these at all. I'm surprised they even popped up at the Habitat Restore. This was something I was not expecting to be there. But even for a modern fan, I find these pretty cool. Anyways, we'll go to medium now, so. The blades are actually plastic, for those who didn't know. It's moving some of my wrapping around. It wobbles a little. I do want to find a permanent install for this fan because it's a really cool fan. It needs some touching up, and I'm going to find some spray paint and touch up the bottom because with the way Habitat had it, it scratched the bottom up a little bit. And I'm going to need to find a shorter down rod, either that or cut the down rod, because this down rod is way too long. We'll go to high now, so here's high. When I got this fan at Habitat, it even came with the battery and the remote. Sounds like a helicopter. See where it's scratched up. I don't know, can you see that? Yeah, you can see that, where it's scratched up on the bottom a little. Alright, here's spin down. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. See you guys later, and goodbye.